Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone keyboard lag after iOS 18 update. Follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to settings, then tap on general, then search for keyboard on your iPhone, and then tap on this option called keyboard and delete and re-add your keyboards. To do it, you have to remove the emoji keyboard and re-add it like I am doing here. You have to tap on keyboards and you can remove from edit icon. You have to delete your emoji, then you have to re-add it. To reset your fix your problem, your primary language keyboard, add another language first, then remove and re-add your main one. To do it, you have to just click on this edit icon, then you have to remove US and delete this, and then just re-add it. This helps resync the keyboard and may fix the lag. Then you can follow another step, which is basically reset keyboard from your iPhone. Go to settings again, go to general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. You can see the option here, tap onto it and just tap on reset keyboard dictionary. From here, not this one, click on reset keyboard dictionary. You can see the option right here, just tap onto it. And again go to settings, tap on the general and then tap on the keyboard. Turn off auto correction and predictive text. This might solve your problem. That's it. And if you have any third-party keyboards, then delete them. These keyboards can interfere with iOS update. And lastly, you have to force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to press and release the volume up and volume down button fastly, and then just hold the side button and restart your iPhone. That's it. This should solve your problem, and if it doesn't solve yet, then check for any kind of updates on your iPhone. Go to software update and check if any update is available, then update your iPhone. This should solve your problem, and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.